Welcome to Trinayani's Towards Inclusion Disability Awareness Card Game Kit. Our Towards Inclusion Disability Awareness Card Game Kit includes 6 thrilling card games, a story-cum workbook, and an answer booklet. In this video, I will tell you a little more about our card game Barriers Begone. Do not forget to go through the instruction sheet to know the rules of the game. The Barriers Begone game is all about identifying appropriate solutions to specific barriers. It's a matching card game which has 27 red barrier cards and their corresponding 27 green solution cards. You can also come up with your own solution if you get a yellow card. The instruction sheet will give you the steps to follow. But the basic premise is to match the correct solution to a given barrier faced by a person with disability in everyday situation. Now, to help you make the match, a common word in each barrier and solution pair is given in italics. That's the clue for you. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial video. The instruction sheet provided with each card game is very easy to understand, so get going. And remember, a family which plays together stays together.